What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to give you one quick and simple productivity hack that you can use in your everyday life.
Nerf this!
Before we jump right into it, I'm going to ask you to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hate me, and also subscribe to the channel because I do release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you get the post notifications turned on and you won't miss a thing. With that being said, the tip that I have to be super productive to increase your productivity is called the Pomodoro technique. Distractions lie in front of us each and every way in this life we live in now, mostly from our smartphones that are glued to our hand. I am super guilty of this. I do a lot of business on my phone, so my phone is on my hip 24/7. It's in my hand, I'm on it a lot, but we all, myself included, go on our phone, start looking at Facebook, start looking at Instagram, start looking at Twitter, watching YouTube videos like this one, so I'm guilty of that and forget why we're even on the phone to check client emails, to check on this or that, something that's moving our business forward. But one thing that I've started to institute in my life is, again, the Pomodoro technique. And what that is basically setting a timer, preferably on your phone, so that way you don't go back on that distraction, for 25 minutes. And for that 25 minutes, you do nothing but whatever your task is at hand. So if you're working on a project, if you're trying to find a property for a client, if you're editing a video like this one, that 25 minutes is solely for that. Nothing else. Do not go on your phone. Do not go get something to eat. Do not go downstairs and talk to your family. Do not, strike up a conversation with a coworker if you're at work. That task is the only thing you do for that 25 minutes. You are gonna find yourself failing at this at first, getting 2-3 minutes in and, going off track. But the fun part is you'll get better each time until you'll hear that timer go off and you're like, oh wow, it's time already. After that 25 minutes, you take a 5-minute break. And then after that 5-minute break, you jump right back into that task for another 25 minutes. So this technique will increase your productivity in your everyday life. You will get tasks done more effectively, more efficiently, and save yourself a bunch of time. And I gotta be 100% honest with you guys, the reason why I wanted to make this video for you today is because it is Monday morning. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and I've put off doing this video for an entire week. I had Friday's video done the middle of last week. So if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. I did do a 10,000 calorie challenge, so make sure to see how that went. And I really just wanted to make this for you so that, one, we can all be more productive, but two, to let you know that I'm human and I've been procrastinating really badly. So I've set this task up for myself and I'm dedicating that 25 minutes, even though I'm gonna spend a lot more after this video is done and editing it and stuff. And I know it seems like common sense.
Well, yeah, Sean. Go do your task for 25 minutes and don't get distracted.
But when you set that timer for yourself, you're gonna realize how easily and how often you are distracted and how unfocused you are doing those tasks. So if you want to be more efficient, more effective, more productive, definitely institute that. So I hope this helps you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one.